morning, Philippe.
Good morning, Stephen.
Good morning. Would you like to introduce yourself, please? Tell us a little about yourself.
My name is Philippe. I am a French citizen living in Ireland for the last 25 years.
Okay, thank you, Philippe. Now, why are you here today, Philippe?
I am here today due to the fact in July 1998, my ex-wife made an allegation to get rid of me.
And what was the substance of this allegation?
She accused me of aggravated sexual assault and rape, basically.
Okay, and was this allegation true?
No, it was false.
Okay. Why did your wife make this allegation?
She made this allegation to get rid of me.
All right, the relationship, I gather, was
going
down.
Yes.
Yes, okay. All right. Now, your wife, as I understand it, was connected to Irish society. In what way was she connected?
It is the fact that she was able to obtain a summons for a barring order the day before I was arrested, due to the fact that her father is the chief superintendent.
So her father was the chief superintendent?
That's correct.
Okay. Now, from what you've told us, Philippe, you were charged with this offence and you had to go to the Criminal Court of Justice.
Yeah, I spent two weeks in the Central Criminal Court.
And what was the result of that hearing?
That's getting interesting. I was convicted for aggravated sexual assault, and the sentence was 100 hours of community service.
So just a minute now, Philippe. You were convicted of aggravated sexual assault. This is a very serious crime.
It is very serious, yes.
And you got what?
100 hours of community service.
Did you serve that community service?
No, I didn't have to do it.
Now tell us why you haven't done that.
Because the DPP appealed the sentence.
The DPP appealed the sentence because I assume it was too lenient?
Yes.
Okay, and what happened next?
Oh. The defense abandoned the appeal.
So the defense actually abandoned the appeal?
That's correct.
Okay. I believe the situation was that you had paid a solicitor quite a sum of money.
That's right. I gave £2,000 to a solicitor to start an application.
And did he do that?
No, he didn't. I have several documents there showing that the Garda headquarters spoke directly to him. The letter is signed by the hand of Michael McDowell, Minister for Justice at the time.
So Michael McDowell himself contacted,
No, I contacted him.
Oh, you contacted him, but Garda headquarters contacted your solicitor and got him to drop the application.
That's correct, yes.
Did you get your money back?
No.
Okay.
I tried, but I didn't.
Okay. So you've now been convicted of this offence.
Yes.
Did the DPP's efforts to have the offence retried or the sentence increased, did that work?
It did work, of course, because I discovered several years later, I put up my hand on the file and I discovered that the DPP and the defence knew that the evidence were fabricated before the trial began.
Okay, just a moment now. You're saying that the DPP and the prosecuting solicitors knew that the evidence that was given by the guards was fabricated
before the trial began.
And they knew this, and they still went ahead with the trial.
Oh yes.
How do you feel about that?
Oh, I don't feel too good at all.
Yeah. What happened then? So you've got this sentence of 100 hours.
This matter is going on for 15 years.
15
I'm going
years.
to make it short now.
Yes.
I became aware that there was a procedure called the Act of 1993, where newly discovered fact shows that there had been a miscarriage of justice.
Okay.
So that's section 2 of the Act of 1993. I filed several applications. My latest application there was in the 17th of February 2014.
Okay.
I have proven in a court of law that the Guardia fabricates evidence against me.
Okay.
And the three judges, McKechnie, Moriarty and Herbert, refused to issue the judgment.
Okay, now this is very important, Philippe.
It is.
Yeah, this is very important. So you're telling us that you've gone through the process.
Oh, completely, yes.
You have proven in a court of law that evidence was fabricated.
That's correct.
So therefore, any findings against you are flawed and should not stand. And you're telling us now that this is now nearly 3 months after that hearing.
Yes.
They will not issue the judgment.
That's right. I take several steps since the 31st of March, I pay a surprise visit to Hardiman Justice.
I'm sorry, to who, Philippe?
I
surprise
went
visit.
to see Hardiman Justice in the Court of Criminal Appeal.
Okay.
Because there was a case management list that day, and I said to him, anyone can make an application. I'm looking for this judgment, Judge.
Yes.
So he said, did you inquire about it? I said, yes. I said, to register a letter to the register.
Yes.
So there was a long silence, and he said, it will have to be approved. So I said, when will I get it?
Yes.
He said, before the end of the term. It was the 14th of April, which I didn't get it.
Okay.
And I knew I wouldn't get it. So I emailed the Chief Justice to remind them that the Article 34, 35 and 36 of the Constitution make a clear resolution for the Irish state to provide an impartial and independent judicial system.
Okay.
And the next day, oh surprise, I got a letter from the private secretary of Enda Kenny.
Very
I have the
interesting.
letter here.
Yes.
In regards of the document left at his office by the independent deputies.
Okay. So
And I emailed Mr. Kenny myself, and I warned them that I would take severe measure to get that judgment.
Yes.
And I will.
All right.
If the independent don't bring up the matter to the door, I'll take severe measure to get that judgment.
So, Philippe, given all of these transgressions that have been visited against you by agents of the Irish state, what, in your opinion, generally speaking, what, in your opinion, needs to be done?
About my case?
About the situation, the situation in general.
Well, the matter should be reported in the newspaper and the television.
Okay, and are you having difficulty getting your these matters reported?
Yes, I emailed several newspapers already, and I have left out several documents. I know that some of those documents are in the hand of Enda Kenny and Shatters, ex-minister, I should say now.
Yes. Well, let's hope.
And that's the way I see it.
Okay, well, let's hope, Philippe, that us making these short videos is going to help your case. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.